Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Discord Mobile and signing in. Make sure the app is updated so streaming features appear. Grant microphone and camera permissions in your phone settings, because without them you cannot broadcast audio or video. Once done, join the voice channel on the server where you want to share your screen or game. This places you in the right context. Make sure your internet is stable. Use Wi-Fi for lower latency, so your stream won't lag as you proceed. Next, tap the voice channel or active call UI and choose the screen share or camera icon to begin. When prompted, select whether to share your entire screen or a single app. Sharing the screen is simpler, while app sharing limits exposure. Discord will ask to capture audio. Enable it if you want system sound included. Choose a stream resolution that balances quality with bandwidth, because higher settings can cause drops on weak connections. Finally, verify your streaming status shows up next to your username in the voice channel so viewers know you're live. If viewers report no audio or frozen video, make sure Discord has microphone and screen recording permissions. Also toggle the in-stream audio option off and on to reset it. If problems persist, restart the Discord app or switch networks, then rejoin the channel and restart sharing. This often clears lingering permission or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.